Hello and welcome to NoBrokerage.com. So today we are with Ms. Mansi Gami from Gami Group, and let's ask them a few questions about Gami Group. Hello ma'am.
Hello.
So basically I would like to hear a small introduction about the developer.
So we as Gami Group, we've been in the industry since 25 years now. We are spread across all over Navi Mumbai, starting from Ghansoli, Koparkhane, Vashi, Sanpada, Nerul and Kharghar. These are the major nodes that we've been covering over the past 25 years. Now we've also started development in Mumbai, mainly covering Vileparle and Andheri, redevelopment projects coming up there. And in Navi Mumbai, mainly we deal with Sitco land parcels as well as redevelopments.
What makes your company so special in Navi Mumbai as well as in Mumbai? Like you say, you're expanding over there as well.
Right. So our organization is basically run by a joint family. We are a team of approximately 50 people just from the family itself. And we are running a staff of 100 salesperson. So usually developers these days, they give out their projects for sale to soil selling companies. But our entire company is run by my own staff. So basically when the customer comes and deals with us, it's directly dealing with the builder and not the salesperson. I think that's something that builds trust and confidence in the person also while dealing, right from the sales of the project till the completion and agreement of the flat. So I think that's something that makes us stand out.
Any offers that you're currently running on the projects that you're showcasing?
So the exhibition is as you know, for Navi Mumbai, it's at a very big scale, and we're covering all our projects during the period of the exhibition, which is from 12th to 15th. Just for these 4 days, we are running an offer of no taxes, no GST, no stamp duty, and no registration, which basically gives an impact of 11% on the total agreement value, which is a big saving for the customers. And this offer is something that you will only be able to get at the exhibition, which will be only valid till the 15th of December. So the customers can come and take the maximum exposure to all our projects as well as price benefit.
And I would really like to know your opinion on the future of Navi Mumbai's real estate.
So as we know, Navi Mumbai has been drastically growing since the past 20 years now. Starting from Vashi as the main node, and now it's been expanding to Sanpada, Nerul, Kharghar. Upcoming projects such as the Navi Mumbai International Airport, I think that's something that is gonna give a drastic boom to the sector of Navi Mumbai locally, as well as it'll attract investors from Mumbai as well. I think till now the market was mainly Navi Mumbai and investors investing in Navi Mumbai who are locally already established here, but now it's also attracting investors from Bombay as well.
Thank you so much for your time, Matthew. If you're interested in any of the projects or do you want to know any more details, then please contact on the number given below. Thank you.
Thank you.